My dear students, I am going to explain some terms and definitions related to the chapter Is Matter Around Us Pure? Let us see. Element. It is a pure substance that contains same kinds of atoms. Same kinds of atoms. Examples are carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, phosphorus. Similarly, copper, silver, gold, mercury, platinum, iron, these are metals, these are non-metals, and boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, these are metal words. So elements may be non-metal, may be metals, may be metal words. Now we will see compound. The combination of two or more elements in a fixed ratio. The combination of two or more elements in a fixed ratio is known as compound. Examples are what are their examples? Examples are water, sugar, methane, etc. are the compound. Now we will see mixture. Mixture. The combination of two or more substances in unequal ratio is known as mixture. So mixture, air is a mixture. Air is a mixture of many gases. Blood, gum, milk, all are the mixture. Blood, ink, gum, etc. Milk, etc. All always are the mixture. Now, homogeneous mixture. Dear students, a mixture having uniform composition. A mixture having uniform composition is known as mixture. Homogeneous mixture. Air is a homogeneous mixture. Alloy are the homogeneous mixture. Sugar solution is an example of homogeneous mixture. All these have uniform composition. Now we will see heterogeneous mixture. heterogeneous mixture. A mixture having non-uniform composition is known as heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixtures are milk, even air containing dust particles. Air containing dust particle is a heterogeneous mixture. Oil and water, a mixture of oil and water is a heterogeneous mixture. Now we will study unsaturated and saturated solution. Different amounts of a given substance may be dissolved in a given quantity of the solvent. That solutions of different concentration of a given substance in a given solvent may be prepared. A particular solution may have less amount of the dissolved solute, while the other solutions may have more amount of the dissolved solute in the solution. So depending upon the quantity of solute present in a given mass of the solvent, solutions are classified into two types. One is called unsaturated solution and other is called saturated solution. Unsaturated solution, a solution in which more quantity of the solute can be dissolved without changing the temperature, is called unsaturated solution. So a solution in which more quantity of the solute can be dissolved without changing the temperature is known as unsaturated solution. Unsaturated solution can dissolve more of the solute at that temperature. An unsaturated solution contains lesser amount of dissolved solute and more solute can be dissolved in it without changing the temperature. An unsaturated solution does not contain maximum quantity of the solute which can be dissolved in it at that temperature. I hope you have understood unsaturated solution. So what is the correct definition of unsaturated solution? A solution in which more quantity of solute can be dissolved at constant temperature, without changing the temperature, is known as unsaturated solution. Now we will see a saturated solution. What is saturated solution? A solution in which no more solute can be dissolved at a particular temperature. A solution in which no more solute can be dissolved at a particular temperature or at constant temperature. Particular temperature is known as saturated solution. Other definition of saturated solution is a solution that has dissolved as much solid as it is capable of dissolving at a particular temperature. So, how saturated solution can be prepared at room temperature? Take some water in a beaker and dissolve some sugar slowly in it. Go on dissolving sugar in it. At first, sugar keeps on dissolving in water to form the solution. Ultimately, a stage is reached when no more sugar dissolves and some of the sugar settles down and remains undissolved. Such a solution is called saturated solution. So, dear students, in this way, you can prepare a saturated solution at room temperature, even in your home or in laboratory. Very sorry. मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आप सैचुरेटेड एंड अनसैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन जरूर समझ चुके होंगे और कैसे सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन तैयार किया जाता है। सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन तैयार करने का मैंने आपको मेथड बताया। नाउ वी विल स्टडी सोलिबिलिटी। व्हाट इज सॉल्युबिलिटी? The maximum amount of the solute which can be dissolved in 100 gram of the solvent to form the saturated solution is called solubility of the solute in that solvent at that temperature. It is the maximum amount of solute. Solubility, the maximum amount of solute, maximum amount of solute which can be dissolved, maximum amount of solute which can be dissolved in 100 grams of the solvent to form the saturated solution at constant temperature or at that temperature, at constant temperature, is known as solubility. Solubility of sodium chloride in water at 20 degrees Celsius is 36 gram. Solubility of sodium chloride at 20 degrees Celsius is 36 gram. This shows that at the maximum 36 gram of sodium chloride can be dissolved in 100 gram of water at 20 degrees Celsius. So we can dissolve only 36 gram of sodium chloride in 100 gram of water at that temperature, at 20 degrees Celsius temperature. This means that, dear students, it is important to know that the solubility of sodium chloride is 36 gram at 20 degrees Celsius. What does mean? It means that the solution cannot dissolve more sodium chloride more than that of 36 gram at this temperature, and this is its solubility. A maximum of 32 gram of potassium nitrate can be dissolved in 100 gram of water. Potassium nitrate, even at the same temperature, that is 20 degrees Celsius, its solubility is 32 gram. What does mean? Solubility of potassium nitrate in water at 20 degrees Celsius is 32 gram. इसका ये मतलब हुआ कि 100 ग्राम अगर वाटर लेते हैं तो उसमें अधिक से अधिक 32 ग्राम पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट घुल सकता है इस टेम्परेचर पर. सो दिस इज इट्स सॉल्युबिलिटी. 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर अगर वाटर को रखा जाए तो उसमें मैक्सिमम सॉल्युबिलिटी पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट का 32 ग्राम होगा. और अगर कहा जाए कि सोडियम क्लोराइड की सॉल्युबिलिटी 36 ग्राम है, इट मीन्स 100 ग्राम वाटर में 100 ग्राम वाटर को अगर रूम टेम्परेचर या 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर पर रखते हैं तो उसका 36 ग्राम डिसॉल्व होगा. दैट इज द solubility of sodium chloride in water, and that is the solubility of potassium nitrate in water. What is the effect of temperature on the solubility of a solid in a liquid? It is important to know solids are almost incompressible. Therefore, the pressure has no significant effect on the solubility of solid in liquid. It is wrong to say that the solubility of all the solutes in a solvent increases with increase in temperature. The solubility may increase or decrease with increase in temperature. It depends on nature of solute and solvent. Now we will see the effect of temperature on the solubility of a solid in a liquid. The solubility may increase or decrease with the increase in temperature. Solubility of sugar, glucose, sodium chloride, potassium nitrate in water increases with increase in temperature. So, two important points are solubility of sugar, glucose, sodium chloride increases with increase in temperature. Solubility of KOH, lithium carbonate, calcium oxide, etc. in water decreases with increase in temperature. So, these are the two note points. Note first, sugar, even sodium chloride, sugar, glucose, sodium chloride, glucose, sodium chloride. These are the potassium even nitrate, KNO3. This is potassium nitrate. So in all these cases, its solubility increases with increase in temperature. Solubility etc. increases with increase in temperature. The solubility of sugar, glucose, sodium chloride, potassium nitrate, etc. increase with increase in temperature. But the solubility of calcium oxide, even KOH, potassium hydroxide, lithium carbonate, Li2CO3, lithium carbonate, calcium acetate is CH3COO CH3COO2Ca is calcium acetate, etc. the solubility of CO, these decrease with increase in temperature. With increase in temperature. So these are the two relevant points. What is the effect of pressure on the solubility of solid in a liquid? I told you that the solubility of solid in a liquid does not change with change in pressure, as the solid is almost incompressible. Therefore, pressure has no significant effect on its solubility. My dear students, I hope आप लोग वीडियो को अच्छी तरह से समझे होंगे, अपना नोटबुक तैयार कर सकते हैं। अगर आपको ये वीडियो थोड़ा भी अच्छा लगे तो लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करेंगे। हम आपसे एक छोटी सी यही गुजारिश करते हैं। That's all today. God bless you. All the best. Be happy. Be safe.